see how messed up this hive is. Okay, yes, because honeycomb was dropped into the box with the intention of it attracting a new colony. It is better you go for an attractant, beeswax. You can even rub honey, lemongrass essential oil, than dropping the honeycomb, because after a while it will decay, and this is what it can cause. Imagine that there are bees here, how devastating they would have been, and this alone can even make them abandon the hive or even migrate. So these are common mistakes that can be carried out in beekeeping practice. So do not do this, as it will not only harm your bees, and it can also affect the hive entirely and your beekeeping venture. So cheers everyone.